Yes, delegates, very good afternoon. As you all know, JSPL has been is investing in a 6 million ton steel plant project in Angul, Orissa. And in addition to that, JSPL has plans to put up a coal to liquid project with an investment of almost 50,000 crores. Plus independent power producing plant of 1320 megawatt, same in the same vicinity of Angul. Taking into account all these mega investments and the vision of the state government in developing MSME industries in the state, I can tell you JSPL has been very committed, is very committed rather, in doing its part in developing the MSME sector in the state of Orissa. Taking forward this commitment, JSPL's initiative in this field has been very ambitious industrial park, very close to the steel plant site, almost, which is around 2 to 3 kilometers from the steel plant project which is coming up. And you can see the location of the industrial park, which covers the villages of Paranga and Mukundpur. It's very close to all these 3 units of JSPL at this moment. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. The next slide. And I'll give you the highlights of the project. In this, the investment by JSPL in this particular industrial park will be to the tune of approximately 500 crores. And it covers over an area of approximately 1400 acres. And the total number of units we are proposing is around 140 units, which has the potential of employing directly around 10,000 people and indirectly almost 30,000 people. 100 to 400 megawatt, which we envisage to fulfill from our captive power unit nearby or by procuring from other sources, outside sources, because this captive power plant will be basically meant for the steel unit. Then the distance from the main plant would be something around 3 kilometers, and nearest railway line is around 1 kilometer. And distance from it's almost on the side of the NH 63, which connects Chandipada to Angul. The next slide. All those things are there, and I can assure you that JSPL would be identifying and exploring more byproducts from this CTL and coal gasification byproducts. Huge potential in this. So we will be continuously exploring and identifying other possible industries, processes which can made into business models. And we will come back to you, or we will be continuously in touch with you for all those things. Next will be the steel downstream industries, which will have rolling units, cold rolling, hot rolling units. We'll have stainless steel. We'll have this pipe manufacturing units, galvanizing units. Then all this fastener manufacturing, crane manufacturing units. They will be the targeted clusters. Industries, like whatever, all kinds of social and industrial infrastructure, modern social and industrial infrastructure will be available. Like we'll have townships, we'll have engineering ITIs, power training institutes, then knowledge parks. The project was cleared by the single window clearance authority on 1st October 2010. Detailed project report and master plan is under preparation. MOU with the state government was executed on 15th of November 2011. And environmental clearance like EIA EMP studies are under progress. Next. And the land front, we have already applied to IITCO, and IPCOL has already assessed our land requirement. And as far as water is concerned, we have already applied along with a security deposit to Water Resources Department, and the thing is under active consideration of them for allocation of the approval for 50 cusecs of water. Next. And this is a tentative timeline for the implementation. From the date we are handed over possession of the land, we intend to complete the entire activity with financial support for good years. Access to uninterrupted and economic electric power at Rostep, stable availability of all other utilities like water at Rostep, access to modern industrial and social infrastructure facilities. I have already explained what all are there. Industrial park in Punjipatra, Raigad. We have already 32 units are operating there. We have invested something around 35 crores there directly, and indirectly by others around 500 crores. Total employment, direct employment at this date is around 1200 persons, and indirect employment is to the tune of 7,000 people. And we are supplying something around 100 megawatt of power to all those units put together. We are planning to have total around 70 units in that industrial park, out of which around 30